asked to immediately take necessary steps and
Menteri rang ba ka Jylla Konrad ki sangma ula ong ba ka sorkar kalabtha ya ki deputy commissioner jeng ki district bapher bakin pyndep ya baro kilat ai jingiarap sya ki lanot eriong Hapoh jong ka arpasaw hado sapupra kanta habakren sya kilat pathai kubor Konrad sangma upentip ru panakalyang chief secretary ka Jylla ha ka shitarik yayong ula dep ban pelong ya ka jingalang bisarkam halor kaning ka jinglong jingman baro Nakaliang UCM ulaong babaro ki Deputy Commissioner kilayo ya kajing betha ban shim ya kisin jam badan kam nakabenta ban penyo mardor ya kilat jingiarap syakilanan kibla syak ta nakajingwan ling shop kensan jong ke eriong kabla jia ha kani kasni uble balala ha ki benta bapher jong ka Jylla Nalor kata Konrad ula pentip ru banakaliang ka sorkar keladap lupa ban menjur ya ki polisi trekam bathamai house nam baladap ha kabala pun kebor ya ki deputy commissioner bakin pentrekam ya ki song jingiarap habajia kinu ki jingjia sya lingshom ha ki bor kamaryang ula ong bamenta nakaliang ki DC kim dan kamshu ban wan sha nongba shlong nakabenta ban yo ya kanu ka jingbet Henry kilala ban shim hi ya karai kabalat lut ha kabayade baka jingpelat ikilat jingiarap badan kam kerki sya kilanon kata la kalong ha kabayade baka jingdan kam bakongsan kum ki marbam kitiar kitar shna yeng shna sam kum kitunum yeng bat kiwe
Deputy commissioners have already been asked to immediately take necessary steps and as a policy measure last year we had taken steps to decentralize the implementation of the relief process and so now the deputy commissioners do not have to come to the state for any kind of clearance and they can take steps independently, decentralized at their own level in terms of distribution of basic relief material as well as different housing support, for example CGI sheets to be distributed. Those freedom has been given and funds have been given to the deputy commissioners and just this morning also the chief secretary has taken a review of the entire situation and I've been updated and we've given them the next 24 hours to 48 hours in which we expect them to complete the entire relief process. So we are on the job and we are ensuring, as I said, by ensuring the entire policy is decentralized now, that entire implementation decentralized, that now deputy commissioners can take steps at their level.